Here's a practical, research-backed tips to help you create a secure and comfortable environment for your children every time you hit the road. Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right car seat for your child. Every child deserves a car seat that fits their age, size, and developmental stage. Start by selecting an appropriate seat. Rear-facing car seats for infants, transitioning to forward-facing seats, and finally booster seats as they grow. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and check for recalls or safety updates. Proper installation is key, so consider having your car seat inspected by a certified technician to ensure it's securely in place. 2. Always buckle up correctly. It might seem obvious, but ensuring that every passenger, especially children, is buckled up correctly can make all the difference in an emergency. Adjust the seatbelt so that it fits snugly across your child's shoulder and lap. Teach your children about the importance of wearing their seatbelts every time they ride in the car. Reinforce this habit by setting a strong example. Always buckle up, regardless of how short the trip. Position matters. Optimal seating for safety. The back seat is statistically the safest place for children under 13 years old. Positioning your child in the middle of the back seat, when possible, minimizes the risk of injury from side impacts. As your children grow and mature, make sure they continue to sit in the back until they're old enough and tall enough to sit safely in the front. 4. Keep distractions to a minimum. While driving, distractions can be dangerous. Keep your focus on the road and avoid multitasking. Set a positive example by putting away your phone and other distractions, and ensure that any in-car entertainment is age-appropriate and used in moderation. A calm, focused driver sets the standard for safety for the entire family. 5. Educate your children about road safety. Knowledge is power. Take the time to explain to your children why these rules exist. Simple lessons on what to do in emergencies, the importance of remaining seated, and understanding the dangers of distraction can instill lifelong habits. Consider incorporating fun activities or role-playing scenarios to make these lessons engaging and memorable. 6. Regular maintenance and safety checks. A well-maintained vehicle is a safer vehicle. Regularly inspect your car's safety features, such as seat belts, airbags, and brakes. Schedule routine maintenance checks to catch any potential issues before they become hazards. Your commitment to vehicle upkeep reflects your overall commitment to your family's safety. 7. Stay informed and updated. Car safety technology and guidelines are constantly evolving. Stay informed by following reputable sources, attending safety seminars, or consulting with experts. By keeping up to date with the latest safety recommendations, you can make proactive choices that protect your children on every journey. In conclusion, make safety a priority every time you drive. Creating a safe driving environment is an ongoing commitment that requires attention, education, and proactive measures. By investing in the right car seats, ensuring correct usage of seat belts, minimizing distractions, and maintaining your vehicle, you're not just following guidelines, you're setting a standard for responsible parenting. Remember, every journey is an opportunity to practice safety. We encourage all parents to adapt these practices to ensure that your children always travel in the safest possible environment. Together, let's make child safety a priority and lead by example for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow parents. Stay safe and happy driving.